Hey there! Are you ready to supercharge your business using one of the most powerful tools available, email marketing? In today's video, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to get started with Mailchimp. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to optimize your email strategy, this tutorial is for you. I'll not only show you how to use Mailchimp, but also how to leverage it strategically to grow your business and make money. Let's dive in. My name is Kelly, and I'm the marketing manager at YZ Vietnam. At YZ, we specialize in outsourcing services for clients in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Step 1. Set up your Mailchimp account. First, head to Mailchimp.com, https://mailchimp.com, and sign up for a free account. Use your business email if you have one, but a personal email works too. Once you've activated your account, complete the basic setup. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard, a blank canvas ready to help you grow your business. Step 2. Create your email list. Your email list is your foundation. Under the List section, create a primary list, something like VIP members or newsletter subscribers. Don't worry about segmenting your list just yet. Focus on providing massive value to all your subscribers as you grow your list. Step 3. Build your sign-up forms. Next, create opt-in forms to start collecting email addresses. Mailchimp offers several options. Embedded forms * perfect for adding to your website or blog. Pop-ups * great for catching attention, especially when visitors are about to leave your site. Landing pages * use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to create beautiful, targeted pages for your offers. Pro tip: offer a valuable lead magnet, a free resource like an ebook, checklist, or training to entice signups. Make sure your opt-in form emphasizes the benefit, like download your free guide to earning $1,000 in passive income. Step 4. Automate your emails with an autoresponder. Set up an automated email sequence to engage your new subscribers. Start with a simple welcome email. Introduce yourself. Deliver your promised lead magnet. Ask how you can help them or what they'd like to learn from you. If you have a product, build a series of emails that gradually provide value and pitch your offering by day 3 or 4. Step 5. Send regular campaigns. Consistency is key. Send weekly emails to your list sharing your latest content, tips, or announcements. Use Mailchimp's tools to schedule your emails ahead of time, so your audience stays engaged even when you're busy. Here are some key takeaways. 1. Mailchimp is an essential tool for growing your business with email marketing. 2. Focus on building a single, value-packed email list to keep things simple. 3. Use lead magnets and automation to attract, nurture, and convert your audience. And there you have it. With these 4 steps, setting up your list, creating sign-up forms, automating emails, and sending regular campaigns, you're well on your way to building a powerful email marketing strategy. Remember, your email list is your most valuable business asset. Nurture it, and you'll open doors to unlimited opportunities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.